The first step when carving this basswood box is to take your normally printed pattern and spray glue it to the surface of a piece of vinyl masking. I'm using an Oracle brand vinyl mask. It's available in the My Chip Carving store, so you don't have to buy a big roll of it. And then peel off the backing on the vinyl mask and stick it to the surface of your box. Okay, and of course you will have pre-painted your box, whatever color you desire, so you're sticking it on top of that painted surface. Use standard chip carving technique, and this time you'll be carving inside the black lines. You don't want to carve sharp ridges between each of the chips because you want to have an area where that yellow color shows up and distinguishes one chip from the other. As you carve, you'll pick up some residue from the vinyl masking on your knife. So it's a good idea to have a rag that's been dampened with some paint thinner, and then you can just easily wipe that off during your process of carving. When you're done with the carving and before you start painting, take a hard rubber roller or the back of a spoon and press the pattern back down onto the surface. For this carving, I've selected two shades of purple, a lighter shade for the inside and then a bit darker for the outside to set off the carving. Both of these acrylic paints have a bit of metallic to them, so they have a little bit of shine. Of course, the colors you pick, totally up to you, and give it a try, experiment a little bit, and see what you think. With this vinyl masking, the painting is really easy. Just paint in the recesses, and the vinyl masking will separate the edges from the surface.
When we add the coloring to this, it's just so hard to tell what the final result's going to look like. So here's the fun part when we start to remove the vinyl mask and see the finished result. Now you can see here I've got a plastic razor blade to lift it up. If you don't have one, you can just carefully work your way underneath the vinyl mask so that you don't scrape up your paint job underneath.
You can use this technique on almost any basswood object that you want to carve. There's more lessons like this to help you with your chip carving at mychipcarving.com with a Platinum membership. And remember, there's a 2-week free trial so you can check it out. Thanks for joining me, and remember, introduce a kid to chip carving.